Hello friends, in this video I will teach you action verbs. Let's get started. Sweep, meaning to clean a floor by using a broom to collect dust and debris. Example sentence, she is sweeping the kitchen floor. Mop, meaning to clean a floor by using a mop and water. Example sentence, she is mopping the bathroom floor. Dust, meaning to remove dust from surfaces. Example sentence, she is dusting the shelves. Vacuum, meaning to clean a carpet or floor using a vacuum cleaner. Example sentence, I am vacuuming the living room. Wash, meaning to clean something using water and soap. Example sentence, he is washing the dishes. Iron, meaning to remove wrinkles from clothes using an iron. Example sentence, she is ironing her dress. Organize, meaning to arrange things in a tidy order. Example sentence, he is organizing the closet. Fold, meaning to bend something, especially clothes, so that one part lies on top of another part. Example sentence, I am folding the laundry. Scrub, meaning to clean something by rubbing it hard, usually with a brush. Example sentence, she is scrubbing the bathtub. Make, meaning to arrange or prepare a bed for sleeping. Example sentence, he is making the bed. Take out, meaning to remove garbage from the house. Example sentence, he is taking out the trash. Water, meaning to pour water onto plants to keep them healthy. Example sentence, he is watering the plants. Cook, meaning to prepare food by heating it. Example sentence, she is cooking dinner. Set, meaning to arrange items on the table for a meal. Example sentence, she is setting the table. Tidy, meaning to clean and organize a space, making it neat. Example sentence, she is tidying up the kids' room. Declutter, meaning to remove unnecessary items from a space. Example sentence, he is decluttering the garage. Rake, meaning to gather fallen leaves or debris using a rake. Example sentence, they are raking leaves in the yard. Replace, meaning to put something new in the place of an old or broken item. Example sentence, I am replacing the old light bulb. Mend, meaning to repair something that is broken or damaged. Example sentence, he is mending the shoes. Stack, meaning to arrange items in a neat pile. Example sentence, he is stacking the pile of books. Unpack, meaning to remove items from a suitcase, box, or bag. Example sentence, she is unpacking the carton. Wipe, meaning to clean a surface by rubbing it with a cloth. Example sentence, she is wiping the kitchen counter. Hang, meaning to suspend something from a higher point. Example sentence, he is hanging a picture on the wall. Spray, meaning to apply a liquid in a fine mist using a spray bottle. Example sentence, he is spraying the windows with cleaner. Sharpen, meaning to make a tool or object sharp. Example sentence, they are sharpening the kitchen knives. Flip, meaning to turn something over. Example sentence, I am flipping the coin. Restock, meaning to replenish supplies that have been used up. Example sentence, she is restocking the pantry. Disinfect, meaning to clean something in order to kill germs. Example sentence, she is disinfecting the bathroom surfaces. Ventilate, meaning to allow fresh air to circulate in a room. Example sentence, she is ventilating the room. Empty, meaning to remove all contents from something. Example, sentence. She's emptying the dishwasher. Collect, meaning to gather items together. Example, sentence. He's collecting the mail. Sort, meaning to arrange or categorize items. Example, sentence. She is sorting the laundry. Refill, meaning to fill something again that has been emptied. Example, sentence. I am refilling the soap dispenser. Sponge, meaning to clean or wipe using a sponge. Example, sentence. He is sponging the spills on the counter. Travel, meaning to make a journey, typically of some length. Example, sentence. I travel to new places during vacations. Fold, meaning to bend something, especially clothes, so that one part lies on top of another part. Example, sentence. She is folding the laundry. Scrape, meaning to remove something from a surface using a tool or a sharp edge. Example, sentence. He is scraping the ice off the windshield. Defrost, meaning to remove frost or ice from a freezer or frozen food. Example, sentence. He is defrosting the freezer. Sanitize, meaning to clean something thoroughly to remove bacteria and germs. Example sentence. I am sanitizing the kitchen counters. Rotate, meaning to turn something around a central point. Example, sentence. She is rotating the globes. Rinse, meaning to wash something with clean water to remove soap or dirt. Example, sentence. They are rinsing the dishes. Patch, meaning to repair a small area that is damaged. Example, sentence. He is patching the hole in the wall. Degrease, meaning to remove grease or oil from a surface. Example sentence. He is degreasing the stove. Dry, meaning to remove moisture from something. Example sentence. I am drying the dishes. Unclog, meaning to remove an obstruction from a pipe or drain. Example sentence. He is unclogging the toilet. Unclutter, meaning to remove unnecessary items from a space. Example sentence. He is uncluttering the old items. Sew, meaning to join or repair with a needle and thread. Example sentence. They are sewing a button onto the shirt. Steam, meaning to clean or cook with steam. Example sentence. I am steaming the vegetables. Rearrange, meaning to change the position or order of something. Example sentence. He is rearranging the books on the shelves. Squeeze, meaning to press something firmly, especially with one's fingers. Example sentence. She is squeezing the lemon to get the juice. Chop, meaning to cut something into pieces with repeated sharp blows. Example sentence. He is chopping vegetables for the salad. Peel, meaning to remove the outer layer of a fruit or vegetable. Example sentence. They are peeling potatoes for dinner. Whisk, meaning to beat or stir a substance, especially cream or eggs, with a light, rapid movement. Example sentence. She is whisking the eggs for the omelet. Grate, meaning to reduce a food item to small shreds by rubbing it on a grater. Example sentence. He is grating cheese for the pizza. Stir, meaning to mix a substance in a circular motion. Example sentence. They are stirring the soup to keep it from burning. Measure, meaning to determine the size, amount, or degree of something. Example sentence. She is measuring the flour for the recipe. Pour, meaning to cause a liquid to flow from a container. Example sentence. He is pouring milk into the cereal bowl. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.